In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all emails as read in Proton Mail using Google Chrome. Let's dive right in and make your inbox management a little bit easier and more efficient. First things first, you'll need to log into your Proton Mail account. Open up Google Chrome and head over to the Proton Mail website. Enter your login credentials and press enter. Once you're successfully logged in, you should see your Proton Mail dashboard right in front of you. Now take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't used it in a while, or if you're new to it. This is where you'll manage all your emails and settings. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the inbox option. Click on that to ensure you are viewing all the emails that have arrived in your inbox. This is your main workspace for managing your unread emails. At this point, it should look pretty familiar. You've got your list of emails right in the center of the screen. Now here's the trick to efficiently mark all your emails as read. Look for the checkbox near the top of the email list right next to where the sender's name would be. Clicking on this checkbox will automatically select all the emails that are displayed on the current page. If you have a lengthy list of unread emails, this can be quite a time saver. However, keep in mind it only selects those on the page you're viewing, not your entire inbox. Once you've selected all the emails on the page, direct your gaze to the toolbar that appears at the top. This is where you'll find various actions you can perform on selected emails. In that toolbar, look for the option that says Mark as Read. Go ahead and click on it. This action will immediately change the status of all the selected emails to read, which means they will no longer appear as bold in your inbox. It's important to note that if you have more than one page of emails, you will need to repeat this process. Simply navigate to the next page and follow the same steps. Click the checkbox to select all emails, then click Mark as Read from the toolbar. This ensures that you've addressed all the unread emails across multiple pages. And there you have it. Marking all emails as read in Proton Mail using Chrome is as simple as that. By following these steps, you're on your way to a tidy and organized inbox. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips on managing your digital life.